Alright guys, here we have some really bad pocket bag repairs needed. These are completely shot, all gone on the front as well. The bag's completely come disattached from the jean pretty much at the front. Massive splits in them. The opposite side's pretty bad as well. As you can see, all that's gone really bad as well. So it's going to need some new repairs here, and then new pocketing around it, and then repair them. And then obviously, yeah, this needs repairing as well. So it can all be done. I'm going to work my magic with them shortly. So stay tuned and I'll show you the after results. So if you've ever got any pocket repairs needed doing like this, you know they can be done by somebody, a denim doctor such as myself, or another tailor who's used to repairing jeans can do these for you. It can be done if you ever come across this problem with your jeans, which is a common problem that I see week on, week out. I always get at least one or two of these in per week in here that are very similar to this. Maybe not quite to this extent, but very similar when the bags all break away and everything. Obviously we're aware this does happen. So stay tuned guys, and I'll show you the after results.